Hi everyone, today I want to share with you the analysis technical but fundamental too on BioMarin Pharmaceutical, an important stock in Wall Street. First thing, now we are very far from the top of the price, $131 in July 2020. Now price is near $55, but most important thing on the chart uh, is that now we have this area of static support. It may be area of bottom. At test of $53 is possible that will go in buy for this stock, BioMarin Pharmaceutical. Very interesting the situation of balance income statement. Revenue year for year always grow from 1 billion and 300. Now we have 3 billions of revenue. But it's more important that enterprise has operative income that we want it's more of 10% of this revenue. In this case, operative income 776 million, more of 20%. Very, very interesting. Then we can see with this overview net income that every year is better from 141 millions to 657 millions. In this case, we can see the growth of net income, a downtrend of price. With this gap, with this spread so large, is very probably that price is too much far from this line, and the enterprise may be really undervalued. Sales always same situation of net income every year grow. Then in this case we can see the other important situation of debt. Debt equity is only 11% of equity. Good situation. ROE 7 and 54. More of inflection and profit margin very good for this type of enterprise on defensive sector, so as healthcare. And another important situation is have average fair value. We have here with this software four methods for the possibly right fair value. Discounted cash flow is method is an approach to valuing stocks by calculating the present value of projected future cash flow. Then Peter Lynch, the famous investor in Wall Street, with the price earning, valuation multi price earning ratio. Economic value added is method to find stock's fair value by measuring how well a company generates profits compared to its cost of capital. Last one, EVU sales valuation metric that compares a company total enterprise value to its annual sales. The average of these four methods give us the possible fair value that is $136. So current price 54 is 153% below the fair value. This is price, this is the perhaps correct value. Obviously, we have always to remember that we have a big difference from price and value. If the value is correct, in this case 136, we can think that is correct buy, but obviously we cannot know when price become the fair value that we have found. Altman Zeta score is okay. It's important that is above 3. In this case, above 3 is safe zone. Piotrowski is an important indicator. The maximum is 9. In this case, we have 8 on 9. Piotrowski is a financial indicator used to evaluate the strength of company financial position. Developed by Stanford account professor Joseph Piotrowski, this score is based on a set of 9 criteria that assess profitability, leverage, liquidity, and other. We have 8 on 9 is okay. The company is resilient. It is effectively managing its capital to foster growth, and it rewards its investors. So we can say it's all okay. Last thing, we have a tool in this software, qualitative scorecard, and the first question of this scorecard is very important. Would it be hard to copy this company even if a competitor had unlimited money, extensive patient portfolio across multiple rare disease therapies, highly specialized manufacturing processes for biologics and gene therapies, stringent regulatory approvals, and established relationship with specialist treatment centers create formidable barriers to entry. It's an important know-how. BioMarine is not simple to be copied. So I think we have an interesting, an excellent perhaps enterprise with an high value. In this case, the price is very interesting. We have an alert at $53, so we'll decide if buy at this level. Thank you so much.